Everyone tell me.
Whakaalofa atu makou. Welcome back. Special day today. Special day today. Today is my son's Hifi ulu. Jackson. How are you?
Good.
What are you doing?
I'm wood batting my hair.
Oh. So Jackson is putting rubber bands in his hair so it's easy to cut, eh son? And this is his auntie. No comment from the hard worker. So Jackson, you got anything to say?
When everyone's here.
Okay, you're gonna save it for when everyone arrives, eh? Good man. So we've got about an hour before it starts, and Jackson's got his little speech saved up for everyone to come. And that's it. I will be emceeing today, so hopefully I have time to record or say some stuff, but if I don't, you might just get this and then the end of the party. You'll see my son of a fade or rainbow here. Yeah, that's it. Fuck always. Tô Filipino. Vai kupu Hifi ulu, tamatane haku.
Oh, rakini ke monuina e uta ke hanga e tauro ulu a Jackson Eric hea honoi. Moe fia te tangata, umili e moe manongi to mena kai, moe kau wharataha ke monuina tau whikau. Ko moe kia e hea honoi. Tōma wehe moe mawhora ke hāna I ngoto. Whakawera he John.
Aia, tulo.
Hi everyone. Today is my brother's hair cutting and it's a really special day for him. I'm really excited and proud of him. And he turned 5 and I've been waiting a long time for this. Jackson, thank you. For being my brother. I really like having a brother, and even though we fight sometimes, I still love you. And thank you for everything you've done, sharing your coat when you went out somewhere, sharing your toys, and thank you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Minyaho. Hello guys, it's me, Indy, and happy birthday, Jackson. Turning 5. Happy birthday. And I hope you have a great birthday. And yeah, I hope you have a great birthday. And I hope you have lots of fun and have some presents what you want. And you have a great day because I love you and the rest of the family does too, and you are always helpful and you're always generous, and yeah, I love you and I hope you have so much fun on your birthday and I hope you have a great Spider-Man birthday, and yeah. Bye.
Jackson, it's so exciting celebrating you today and your special day, Hifi ulu, and we love you, and that's why we're all here to support you and your family, your mum and dad and sisters, and we're all here to celebrate you at this special time. We love you and God bless you, Jax.
Whakaoelahi. Whakaalofa atu. This is where Jackson's gonna cut his hair. These are the special nifo scissors. Magical. And I'll just show you this ear pili. This ear pili here is like a similar to like a te vaivai for the Rarotongans. This one's been at a lot of hair cuttings in our family. This one here, I think this is my sister Steph's one. It's a nice one. Nice. And this one, so I'm not sure, but this one here, it's cool. Yeah, so awesome backdrop. My sisters, my mom, Missy, Warmer, and Christian helped set this up. So super excited. Whakawalahi makau. And yeah, so just waiting. An hour to go before it all starts. Long time friend Ev. Any words, Ev?
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, yes, big birthday wishes to Jackson. 5th birthday, handsome boy, cool haircut now. Hopefully the hairline. Jackson. Hopefully you keep the hairline.
Oh, hey man, hey.
Thanks for having us, John, Danny, and the family. Meantime, awesome time. Yeah, but it was cool.
Any words, Joyce?
Thank you, Jackson, for this great celebration, and I love you.
Thank you, Joyce. Thank you.
Can't do on the spot.
Can't do on the spot?
I have to write it down.
Thank you, Jackson, for the invite to your birthday in Hifi. Happy birthday and all the best.
Happy birthday, Jackson. Wish you a good time.
Luck. See you in there.
Go away.
I'll just say happy birthday, Jackson, and yeah, it's an honour to be here for your hair cutting. And yeah, John, thanks for the invite.
Man, bro, and who have you brought, bro? Some special guests.
My daughter Kasaya, came to say hello.
Thanks, guys, for coming all the way from Wally, eh, bro? Christchurch. Holy shocker. Okay.
Hey, whakalawhātu, Jackson. What an amazing day you've had. Celebrating your hair cutting and your 5th birthday. It was such an incredible day. Thank you so much to your parents for organising it for you, and all of the family and friends who came to celebrate. Jackson, heaps and heaps of things I could say to you, but the most important thing is that all of your family love you. I love you. I'm so happy that your placenta is buried in NIUE. You're a very, very important voice of this family. So I look forward to everything that you're going to do in the future, and God bless you always. Love you, son. Mwah!
Hello. Hakupu.
Oh, thank you very much for going lahi ni me ke motolo ki hau ki whakalataha e aho nei a hau ma Jackson monuina e aho hifiulu mo rā whānau hau. Yeah, it was an awesome day. I was so tired from, screaming and enjoying myself. We all loved it, especially seeing Spider-Man who turned up today. So, whakaoelahi, thank you, and happy 5th birthday! Chee-hoo!
Hello.
Hey, lucky John for inviting myself and my family to help you celebrate your son Jackson's Hifi and 5th birthday. So Jackson, congratulations, you look very handsome. So I hope you've enjoyed your day today. I love you.
Hello. Performances.
Oh, we on now?
We on.
Hey.
Whakalawhātu, Master Jackson. Have you had a good hair cutting and a good rest of your day? Hope you have a good day, Jackson.
Oh, that's it.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, and happy birthday and happy hair cutting. Yeah, it was awesome. We had an awesome time. Yeah, we had an awesome time. Whakalawhātu, Jackson and everyone else there in YouTube land. It was fantastic. It was an awesome day today. It was so awesome, eh?
Yeah.
It was so awesome that when we came out, we felt the energy, we felt the power, and we used it. We used it in our dance, eh?
Yeah.
Gave us that spirit, gave us that that energy to give to the people. And we hope you enjoyed the performance. The food was awesome. This venue's awesome. Your family's awesome. And you're awesome. So yeah, we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Hope your hair feels nice and cool now that it's cut, and you look very nice with your new haircut. And that's from Christian.
Hugo. Hector.
All right, peace.
Tulo.
Tulo.
Hakupu.
Thank you, Sean. Lovely day. God bless, and make sure you look after that little boy. Thank you, son. Love you.
Whakoelahi. Hakupu. Whakoelahi.
Okay, whakamelahi.
Some. Wilma's been leading a lot more of it being the what is it? Like a curriculum lead for it. Yeah, so that's a responsibility. Is this going to Tangata Pacifica next?
Hakupu. Hakupu. Whaiaunga.
Delete the sound, eh? Hi! How's it going? Did you put a charge on the camera?
It's got a little bit left.
A little bit left. Just want to apologise. I was given clear instructions to for 1 to 2 minutes. I recorded a 3-minute performance of the girls because it looked so beautiful, and I thought the fathers would want to go back and watch that. So anyway, Jackson, happy fiulu, and happy 5th birthday. You are in the great hands of a mum and dad who love and care for you so much, as well as your family extended. And it was great to be part of your day today. So yeah, big 3 cheers for you. Choo! And 2 more, yay.
Happy birthday to you, Jackson. Hope you had a good day today. And thanks to John and Danny for the invite. Thank you.
So, yep.
Hey Jackson, happy birthday. Thanks for inviting us. Hope you have a real awesome day, and yeah, hope you enjoy your new haircut. See you, bro.
Thanks, Dan, brother. Jackson's auntie. You have any words for Mr.?
Yes, hey Jackson, we love you so much. It's been such a great day today celebrating you, and we just want to let you know that we're so proud of you, and may you continue to learn and grow throughout your life, and know that you are always loved, and you're amazing, you can do anything, and we love you, eh? So, love you, Jackson.
Okay. Any words?
Kia ora, bro. Awesome day celebrating you today. Had a fabulous day. All about you, brother. Yeah, so you can just remember the words I said to you. Kia kaha, kia toa, kia manu wanui. Stay strong, stay brave, and stay patient. Be patient, because great things always come when you always keep going. Patience is the key, and never give up in life, man, and always chase your dreams and follow your heart, follow your intuition, and you're born to be great, you're born unique, and always be you, because you're very special to all of us. Kia ora, my bro, love you.
Any words, guys, for Jackson? Sorry to interrupt your conversation.
Happy birthday, Jax. Happy birthday.
Whangahau niue, Miss Whangahau niue.
Happy birthday, Jackson.
Okay.
Talima. Happy birthday, Jackson. Happy 5th birthday. It's so cool to see you celebrate your hair cutting ceremony in traditional Niuean fashion. It was awesome food and awesome seeing you with your new cool, handsome, smart hairstyle. So good luck with your good luck with your new school year as well.
Happy birthday, Jackson.
Happy birthday from us. Hope you like our present as well. See you later.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Jackson. Congratulations on your hair cutting. I hope you enjoy this day and see all your family and friends here to support you. We love you so much. God bless.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jax. We love seeing you today. You look so handsome and enjoy your time at school. Remember big sisters, look after your little brother, and yeah, we love you. Hope to see you more often from all your family in Hamilton. Bye. Any words, Hannah?
Happy birthday, Jackson, and thank you for inviting us to a special day.
Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Beautiful. Hi, Flora. Any words, Dave?
Happy birthday, Jackson. Wish you the best, buddy.
Oh, beautiful. Any words? Yes. Not yet. Yes.
Happy birthday, Jackson. I'm glad your life was
Beautiful. Hey, boys. Nice. Yes. Any special words for Jackson? Yes. Awesome. Yeah, because you know.
Take a photo.
Any words for Jackson? Any words for Jackson?
Happy birthday, Jackson. God bless you.
Stay blessed, Jackson.
Awesome. Hi, Nana.
Hi, love.
I'm catching any birds for Jackson. Oh, you've
That was so awesome. Thanks, Jax, for having me here. We love you lots. We're going to miss you so much in Kindy. And I bet you're going to look so handsome with your hair.
Yes, thank you. Thanks so much. Hello, hi.
Hello. Happy birthday, Jackson. Happy birthday, Jackson.
Amazing. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jackson.
You.
Oh, the legend himself. Bro, thanks Elnes for coming.
Bro, that's all my pajamas, bro. I thought it was your house.
Hey, this is my good man,
Hey,
Elnes.
what's up, man? What's up, everyone?
Yeah.
Easy eats. Don't forget to.
Thanks Elnes for coming, bro.
No, okay. Hey, happy birthday, Jackson. Sorry I didn't kind of dress down for the barbecue at the house. Happy 5th birthday. Looks awesome. Your party looks, it's just, yeah, cleaning up. Timing.
happy birthday, Jackson. Hope you have a great birthday. Yeah.
Sweet.
Love you very much.
Oh, fuck away. Can I quit?
Father God in heaven, we are so grateful to be here. Thank you for today. Thank you for the blessings that you have blessed each and every one of us.
Hifi, or hair cutting ceremony, is a NIUE celebration for the firstborn son in any NIUE family. So for Jackson, he's the only son. So this is a very, very special occasion for Jackson. So the Hifi ceremony is part of an important tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation for many, many years. Traditionally, the Hifi marks the rites of passage for when a young Niuean man, boy, turns into a man.
Today, see you having a haircut. Very important, isn't it? Okay? You look lovely. Really do. Do you want to go closer? I'm so happy to be here. Just go like that.
Oh, thank you.
Nisa pula winaka makalevu.
Pula!
Ako whakahia tu kia matoro si kua tari e tau wina ke wai ke Hifi Ulu Jackson, Eric.
Kua wai ma mea ke tukura hawa moui. Oe poki ngā me, oe John Menau, oe ke hamua i ke tiana ki tama. Oe lahi poki ke matoro osi kua whataha mai, oe tuno.
The favor of God and people. In Jesus' name.
On another one. Very nice to see everybody here today in this terrible moment. Oh, and thank you very much for the invitation.
I'll pass it on to Dave.
Go James!
Let's go!
Jackson, happy haircutting on behalf of me and my family from Odell.
This is my older sister Sandy. She's a school teacher at Point England. My nephews, famous barbers in East Auckland, and Juliana and Christopher. My nephew and nieces Juliana and Christopher had a birthday on Thursday, so we can give them a clap.
Sure, I saw my husband. Somebody's gone to the car too. Goodness, where's Peter? Maybe it's with Uncle Kapisi, that's okay. And congratulations, what a beautiful day it is today. Faith's cutting on behalf of our family. We also had a haircutting for Elijah, and I just want to wish you all the best. Uncle Dan is just on his way. Well, we just want to say God bless you, and you look beautiful. Happy birthday, Jackson. And yeah, monuina e aho Hifi Ulu hau.
Whakalofa to Jackson. Hope you're having a good haircutting and have a good rest of your special day. God bless you.
Nice, good boy, Hector.
Awesome, Hector. While Hector's coming to here, I would like to wish you also a very special day, and I hope you really enjoy your day. I'd like to sing a quick song just to bring a bit of energy into the room. If anyone knows the words, follow along. Ka hokoma koi ki fuai, ke he maka tu tai si ala si mai, kore o tau de kopine simanatala.
So amazing. So I'm John's, I don't even know where I fall in the line. I'm the fourth oldest and the fourth youngest. This is my son Stevenson, this is my other son Achilles. Jackson, you look amazing. Okay, happy birthday Spider-Man. You look awesome. We love you so much. And we wish you all the best for your future. So I've not got anything else really to say, but happy birthday, Jackson. And thank you for putting on this amazing event for us all to celebrate your haircutting and 5th birthday. Okay, lovely to have such an awesome event for Jackson. I'm up here with my sons Liam and Atunaisa, and we have AJ running around somewhere. And then my husband Gus is at the back there. He's just coming up right now. So Jackson, you know, as I had mentioned earlier today, your hair cutting is a celebration. So we have created a celebration hat for you. We have also created some handmade cushions for you. Yeah, Renata, do you want to say something to your cousin? Liam's just finished coming off the rugby field. So in future, Jackson, when he's in All Black, you'll have free tickets to watch some rugby shows. Okay, yeah.
Whakalofalaya te kimatolawasi. Happy haircutting, Jackson. I really like you as a cousin, and I hope you have a very nice rest of your day.
Like my older sister said, Jackson has his placenta buried in NIUE in my mum's village of Alofi North, well, Alofi Central, Alofi North. So Jackson is a very, very special boy, very, very blessed. And we just love you and your sisters very, very much, and we're wishing you very, very, very happy birthday, Jackson, and happy Hifi Ulu Day. And just before I pass the microphone on,
Happy birthday, Jackson. Hope you have an awesome day, and God bless you and bless your family.
I just want to say happy birthday, congratulations. One of the Northern Wagons that came here before I had the ceremony. I had a good time with everybody else is here cutting. I'm a nurse with John, and I got into this career late, so we want all the best for you, Jackson. Proud of you and your family, and I hope you know that you're loved by all of us. Thank you.
Kia ora koutou katoa, ko DJ tōku ingoa, ko Janina tōku wahine, ko Leo, Phoenix, River tōku tamariki. So first off, I'd just like to thank God and the universe for blessing us with this beautiful moment, and for John and Danny for raising such beautiful tamariki. Just want to say something to you, Jackson, before I pass the mic on to my beautiful wife. To something that you might not understand now, but it will come into perspective into your future. Kia kaha, kia toa, kia manawa nui. Be strong, be brave, and be patient. Kia ora, my bro, I love you so much.
Hello everyone. Hey Jackson, you're amazing. We love you so much. And thank you for just being the most coolest cousin ever. Such a wonderful nephew, and we love you so much, and we're so happy we're here to celebrate you today. And congratulations, John and Danny. You guys are amazing parents, and we love you guys so much. And we're just so honoured, like the rest of us, to be here today.
Hello, hi Jackson. On behalf of me and Neva, happy birthday, and it's so cool to come celebrate your traditional birthday with you. So, thank you.
One of Jackson's favorite aunties. She calls him her son.
Hi, I'm Josie. I just want to say I love you, Jackson, and it's so great watching you grow into such a wonderful person.
I'm only famous in Otara, and it's a pleasure for us to be here today to celebrate Jackson's special day. And these occurrences happen quite rarely nowadays in our culture, so it's a fantastic day to celebrate Jackson's special day. Craigie?
Whakalofalaya tūkua karaking for your tana.
Thank you. Our nephew, Craig. So thank you for this honor and opportunity to be here. Greetings to everyone here, all our family. And if you're listening to the radio, tune in to 531 PR. Especially the PMN NIUE program. That's where we're at. Thank you.
Jackson. Falaf na het ke do na tua puna he to fai yelo here ma do na tua Jackson o John Motaniel na kuma na kamo esta música que mal e modaton e mga pa mo.
What she's saying actually, hurry up, go and get married.
Ole tama sufro mo. Wala pa ke. Si kalalay fo ke mo fa mo. Kalau fo la hiat ke hapa mo fa fo to ma uncle Martin and my Hifi great. They say play Jackson. We know how what you have to do. Từ lâu thì nó từ một tay nó mà theo từ một tua rồi các cô phải lấy hạt cây nhà cà phê nó phải hao kiểu như nó rồi nó có thể tụt hao nó không mà tụt hao ai cái này này có tụt hao phải này như là tụt hao ok thank
you Jackson. We love you, Jackson. Proud of you. You make me so proud when you walk around in Pili with your hair out. The teachers tell him to tie it up, and but he looks it out and he walks with his shoulders back. Yeah, I love it. So I'm gonna miss it when I pick him up. He's got a show here, but super proud son. He's getting the culture well. Every time he says I ask him where's he from, because I'm from NIUE. I have a house in NIUE and that's where I want to live. So,
yes.
Yeah, Manuel, find out son. Wish you all the best. Mutalahi au kia koe. And yeah. Mary, Kayla.
Oh, it's doing that again.
Hi Jackson, Madalena and Kato, and we're Danielle's cousins. We're super happy to be part of this awesome tradition, super special. And obviously Mum and Dad wish they were here, Linda and Albert, but they're at home sick with COVID.
Cousin Linda.
Good everyone. Happy birthday, Jackson. Thanks for having me. My mum, Jan, can't be here today and she's sorry, but she sends her love. And Tiano as well, just came from his competition and he's winning and he sends his love. So just really honoured to be here and a part of this beautiful day. Zero.
Bex and Taylor are Jackson's school teachers.
those long locks.
Just want to say I'm proud as of you, Jackson, and you have to come back so Kindi whenever you want, bro.
Hey! This is Danielle's cousin and boss. And favorite colleague.
Hi everyone, John and Danny, thank you for inviting us for this special day today. We and family wish Jackson all the love and happiness in the world. And
Happy birthday, Jackson.
Sarisha, welcome. You've been there since day one. We appreciate you being here.
Happy birthday, Jackson. I just want to wish you all the best with school and thank you for having me on your special day.
GI boys. Well, Ben.
John, Danny, thanks for inviting us here for this day. It's an honour. Sorry, what's going on? John, Danny, thanks very much for inviting us here today. And, Jackson, happy birthday. And, all the best. You look like a real prince sitting there.
Ben was a high school mate, ex-boxer, current, you're in the army now, ain't you? Yeah, officer. My good mate M Tuffa.
Hello everyone. Just want to say firstly to John and I, thanks for having us. I haven't seen you guys in ages. But also to Jackson, happy birthday, and also nice to meet you for the first time. So sorry, hopefully we can make it I just want to quickly introduce my family as well, here to celebrate birthday. We've got Hezekiah, the oldest here, Jeff, Alnez here, and Ashley, and then Leah, and my partner here today. But Jackson, thanks for having us, and God bless. Thank you.
Mr. Big Fella. Boleh nak Jackson? Boleh baik? Thank you, John.
Whakalofatu, we got the man of the hour of Kingston. His barber's in East Auckland. Who's this guy?
New kid on the block.
How do you like your hair? You think your uncle, your cousin did a good job?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Stevenson?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the bed.
Hey! Oh, you happy, son?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let the barber get his job done, eh? that's it. Hifi ulu finished. Jackson's happy. And I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the Hifi ulu in New Zealand. New Zealand Hifi ulu. Whakolahi. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, leave a comment what you liked about it, and any questions, put it down in the bottom. Ko whilewa ia, koe kia.